How's it going, guys? What's up? It's the Ultimate Beyblade here, back again for another rockin' video. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you my moves that are fucking hot fire. So let it rip on that like button, guys, and it really helps. So yeah. So let me just say my let's do it. It's hot and steamy. Yeah. Wah. Let me show you my dance move. So this one. Wah. This is pretty hot, right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then here's like my mega dab. Oh yeah. Yeah, my rolls. I have to go even faster. Yeah, man. Ooh, I'll work that arm. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. It's getting really hot and sweaty. Thank you. I feel a storm coming on.